Go.
I get about order.
Put on it over, James.
Little Charlie Cassidy was just gone 64. When his mother said to him, "You're a grown boy now, store. It's time you settle down," she says, "you're in the prime of life. Go off you go, my brave young man, and find yourself a wife." Now Charlie had a roving eye and fancied quite a few. But fancying and marrying were not the same, he knew. He knew he'd have his mother's farm someday, and all her lovely cows. So he'd have to be particular about his wedding vows. There was Bridget Ann O'Reilly, who was married far and near, but her father was an idler and a valiant for the beer. The wife of Charlie Cassidy would have to stake her claim. She'd have to be respectable with something to her name. So Charlie shaved and shirted and brushed his baldy plate, and went down to ask Tom Lanigan for his daughter Mary Kate. She took one look at him and turned away, because Mary Kate was plain. But when he saw her father's farm, he looked at her again. Ned Rogan was a wealthy man, as rough as Charlie knew. Still he had 7 daughters, the youngest 42. Charlie went hopefully. At last he thought he had a chance, but all he got was a 10-yard start with a gunshot on his pants. There's a happy ending to my story all the same. I wonder where he found a wife at last, someone to take his name. He'll be married yesterday to the widow Michael Linden, who's 50, fat and grim. Charlie didn't fancy her, but she fancied him.